Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Dish TV. So there is a recruitment happening for freelancers, which is a work from home kind of a job. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Okay, coming to this education qualification, any graduate are eligible for this job. Before moving to the details of this video, if you are seeing this channel for this first time, please do subscribe to my channel for more job updates. So coming to the job details, the post name is freelancer for inbound calls. It is a work from home job. Coming to the experience is 0 to 5 years experience. So this is a fresher job. Now the location of the job is Delhi. Delhi is a location, but since this is as it is also a work from home kind of job. Okay, now let us see the job description. Work from home opportunity for students, housewives, retired employees, freshers and experienced persons with good Hindi and English communications. This is a voice process or a calling kind of a job. So should have a good communication skills in Hindi and English languages. Okay. And responsibilities is inbound calls, freelancers. Now desired candidates must have own laptops or desktop and broadband connection. Okay. Since you are working from home, you should be having a laptop or a desktop. Then only you are eligible to apply. Okay. Now the perks and benefits, the salary they will be disclosing after your HR or on probably. They have not yet mentioned in this notification. So salary will be per call basis. Based on the call you will be getting the salary. Okay. Now let us know the application process. In order to apply for this, you just go through the link which I had provided in the description box. By clicking on the link, Dish TV page will be opened. After clicking on that, to apply this, you have to just copy this line and paste it on your browser. You will be getting a form like this. You have to fill up the form. Now let us see the what are areas the form is having. It is having name, email ID, present state name, present city name, phone number, alternate contact number, WhatsApp number, gender, date of birth, current employment status, higher education qualification, having your own desktop, laptop, having broadband connection or not having, smartphone, you should be having Android version, should be above 8.0, then languages known and sources of getting this opportunity. Next, if referred by our certified advisor, please mention his or her name. So these things you have to fill up, or you can directly apply by clicking on this link called an icon called apply. So that is the application procedure. Now if you have any doubts or queries, here they have actually provided a email ID which is a HR mail ID. So you can directly ask your queries or your doubts regarding selection process, location, working hours, salary through this mail ID. So they have mentioned clearly the job is totally here. It is a fresher job and any fresher or along with 5 years of experienced persons are eligible for this application, and salary is not disclosed, and industries medium, function area also BPO kind of a job. This is so all the summaries, others, employment time, it is a full-time job. Okay, it is a full-time job and educational qualification is any graduate in any specialization education qualification are eligible for this. Okay. So this is a work from home based job. Nowadays you will get a lot of work from home job because of this COVID situation. A lot of companies making their jobs, especially inbound calls or voice over process kinds of job, they are making this work from home. Also this is a support jobs. You will get a lot of work from home kind of a job. So I am trying to bring maximum work from home job because most people are interested in watching this type of job. So we have seen the recruitment of this Dish TV, that is a work from home job, and application process. Now talking about the selection process, this is a freshers recruitment. There will be 3 steps of selection process. It is first one is it will be having an online examination where you will be selected for your aptitude, your ability to respond the problems, queries and so in this both aptitude and reasonings, all things will be checked in the first stage. And coming to the second stage, there will be a technical round. In this technical round, most probably they will be giving you one problem and will be asking how you will be solving this problem. They will be checking your method of solving this problem and how quickly you will be responding to it and how quickly you will be solving that problem. So this type of questions you will be having in the second stage, that is the technical round. Then there will be the third stage, that is the HR round. Salary mostly will be disclosed, that is they will be telling you about the salary in this final round, that is the HR round. So these are the three stages in the selection process. So that's all about the job update for Dish TV. There is no particular year of pass out they are asking for, so as well as there is no age limit. Any aged person can apply this job who are having a graduation specialization like BSc, MSc, BCA, BBTA, and all candidates are eligible for this job. So that's all about this job update. Actually, this is a golden opportunity for a lot of people out here. Please don't miss out this opportunity. Please apply as soon as possible. They didn't mention any last date here, so when I am posting this video, after 2 or 3 weeks the job may get inactivated. So it's not a fake, it's true notification. So please do apply for this as soon as possible. Okay, for this you have to just fill up a form, so please do apply for it. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends, and if you want more videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.